Hey there, Bart here from Bodjabart. We're back on this thing again. We're going to see what we've been working on. We're going to put it all back together, motor on, and put everything back together and see if we can get this thing to work with these other bits that we've been working on lately. So let's get into it, eh? Here we are, we're back. We've rounded these up a bit. Don't they look a bit prettier than a sharp edge? So we'll get these in the right place. Carry on. So which one's which? Okay, so that one there goes on the other side. This one goes on this side, which is this one here. So it's got to go that way round. Oh, no, that way. So it's got to go through there. Doesn't feel tight though. See, it's quite loose. This one's quite loose. That's why I put that bracket in there. It looks like it's in the wrong place. Right. Best laid plans of mice and men don't always work. And this one hasn't worked on this side, which is a bit of a bummer. For some reason, I've got the hole in the wrong place. I worked off the centre, but this here's not in the centre, is it? The other one worked out fine. This one's a bit tight. So what I'll have to do is make another one and move the hole down a bit. Rats. That's a bit of a bummer. Ah well. I have to make it, to give it support. You got to do what you got to do. I just... not very good. So we've got to make this one better. Oh, I think it just jumped around. It has. It's just jumped off the thing. I really don't want to do that. It just jumped off. Trip. What happened to the Allen key? Oh, see, that one's not working. It's just stripped the spline out, I think. It's just stripped the spline, which is no good. No good at all. Right, I've lost the element. Oh, there it is. Found it. So that didn't work. Got to do something, find something better. That didn't tighten it up enough. That Allen key, or that bolt. Yeah, I don't know what I can do. completely wrecked it. Well, not completely. There's always something you can do. I'll have to figure out something else for this. Just stripped out the first part. Well, the piece on the motor's alright, it's just this piece here at the start. Because it didn't clamp up properly. Yeah. What we really need is another one of those, so I've got the swap meet coming up soon. I'll have to keep my eyes open for one. In the meantime, we'll have to leave this off. The spline on the motor's okay though, so that's good. Just need a kick start. Okay. Not worried about that. That's way better. Good support. Way better. Okay, so we've got to push that in a bit. There. As far as I'm concerned, that's perfect, that one. Right, we'll weld that in. We'll weld that in right where it is. Then to get it out, all I have to do is, undo that. We take the motor out, take everything off. Do I need to weld that in now? It's going to easily support it, and we need that to work on the other side when we do the other one, but that's not quite right yet. I just played around with that kickstart too many times. Sort that out, we've got to sort that out, but that looks pretty good. So when the motor moves, this should move. Right. I've also, I don't know if you can see, I've also put this little box on. Well, that little bit of metal there, which is for the CDI to sit. So we've got that sitting there like that. Then this can come up. And it will plug into the CDI in there. Like so. Then we've got that there, connected there. These two wires should be able to get around and plug onto that. Yeah, that's right, we go that way. There we go, that goes there like that. So we've got a yellow and a black one, which I guess is that one, and a green and a yellow one, which I guess is that one. It's only guessing, I think. No, this one doesn't want to go there. There we go. Right, then we have to tighten them up a bit. So that, I think, goes like that. Got that there. And then I think this is for the kill switch, which we have to find a kill switch. Or just some type of switch. I reckon that's like that. Seat sits up on there. It's actually ready to try and find a spark, I reckon. Well, that doesn't close up. Let's close them up a bit more. That way. Okay. It's probably the wrong size, I would say. No, it doesn't. Probably doesn't. There we go. welded in that bracket there better. Now what we have to do is sort out the brakes. We'll leave that for another day. Brakes, accelerator, carby on. We're not that far away, are we? Yeah, we're not far away at all. Find a bit of bulk for that. I'm quite happy with that. We're not going to put that in the right place yet, we'll just leave it. Okay, I think that'll do for this one. Another one out the road, so next time when we come back, hopefully we can get the carby on. See if it's got spark, which we don't know yet. Brake sorted out. Accelerator sorted out, carby on. So we're actually not that far away from... Oh, exhaust pipe. Right, the whole reason I didn't do the exhaust pipe before was because it wasn't at the right height. So now that it is, it's time to sort out the exhaust pipe. See what we've actually got to work with. Right. Brilliant. This is going to go down through there. This will go, take that off. There we go. You can see that down there. I don't actually know if you can see that. I'll have a look. Can you see that? Oh, you can see that. We might see if we can bring you around here a bit, eh? Right. Oh, you can see that. Just down here. No. Right, so that is going to sit there like that, and that's going to be the exhaust pipe poking out through there. That looks great. So we can tack that in place. I think that sits perfect right there. Hey. That'll sit just there, perfect. Yep. Let's tack them in place. Aye. I can't get it to drop down any further because it runs by the brake bracket there, just in underneath the brakes. So I think that's fine. I don't think I can run it anywhere else. It'd be lower than the cart if I run it anywhere else. It should be alright. If it gets too hot, we'll have to sort something out if it gets a bit hot. But we'll tack that in place right where it is. Oh, these old bones. Right. Right, yeah, I reckon I'm going to leave that at this. Now, we've got our exhaust pipe in there. It's brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. We'll probably have to put a muffler on it maybe later on at a later date, but at the moment we're just going to leave it at that. Got that sorted. Okay, got that tacked in there. Alright, we'll call it quits on this one. So don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.